Hello guys, and welcome to Heroz Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install Kali Linux Nethunter on your Android phone without root. Very simple and easy, and also without any error. This tutorial was gotten from the official page of the Kali Linux Nethunter. All you require to follow along is a 3GB RAM and an internal storage of about 5GB. Let's get started. First of all, let's go to the Play Store and download Termux, a terminal emulator for Android. That's what we'll be using to download the Kali Linux Nethunter and also to do the installation. Also, we're running it there and we'll use a VNC Viewer to connect to it. First of all, open your Termux and type the following commands: apt update nm apt upgrade to update to the latest packages that are available in the Termux repository. And also, don't worry if you don't get any of the commands. A link to all these commands will be a list to all these commands will be linked in the description below. And also, we need to install wget using the apt package manager, which we will use to install the Kali Linux Nethunter. Copy and paste the following commands. This command will download the installer for the Kali Linux Nethunter. And after that, you give it executable permission using the chmod +x and the name of the script. Now that we have given it an executable permission, let's go ahead and install the package, the operating system itself. Take note, this is going to take a long time. It's going to take about 7 minutes in my time, depending on your internet. It took me about 7 minutes to download it. It's about 1.5 GB of resources. Now that the download has finished, let's go ahead and start with the installation. After the downloading, it will go ahead directly and continue with the installation. You are not supposed to do anything. You don't click any place. It will continue with the installation automatically. So be patient. It's going to take a long time. It might reach a point where it will look like the phone has frozen or the script is no more running, but it's still installing some of the necessary packages for the operating system to run. So when it pauses, just give it some time to finish installing. Once you finish installing, you can type Nethunter to enter into the Linux distant terminal. That's as a normal user without root permissions. As you can see right now, we're in the Linux terminal. Also, if you want, you can type Nethunter -R to enter to the Linux terminal with root permissions as a root user. But first of all, if you type that for the first time, you have to set your root password. As you can see, this is the Linux file system. This is the Kali Linux file system and all the necessary directories that are there. But this is only in the command line. First of all, let's set the password for the desktop interface, the desktop environment, using the kex. Once you type in Nethunter kex password, it will prompt you to set a password for the normal desktop environment. That's not a rooted desktop. So if you log into the VNC Viewer using this particular command, Nethunter kex, without the tag -R, you are going to log into the desktop as a normal user, not as a root user. So in order to connect to the Kali Linux Nethunter, let's download the VNC Viewer. I've already downloaded it. I'll go ahead and open it. Okay, now that it is open, let's set the IP address to the Linux Nethunter. Right now the thing is running in localhost. That's 127.0.0.1. But before we connect to it, let's first start it up. You can start it by typing Nethunter -R kex, and if you type this one to prompt you to set another password for the rooted user for the desktop environment. And know the password that you are going to set, because that's the one you are going to use to log in into the desktop environment. And when it asks you, would you like to enter as view only, please type no, type N and press enter. If you type Y and press enter, you will be able to enter into the Kali Linux desktop, but you cannot interact with it. Now that the Kali Linux Nethunter is running in Termux, let's go and connect to it using the VNC Viewer. So we type the local host plus the port. It was running on port 5902. So localhost port 5902. By default, that's the port is always run on for the rooted user, and for the non-rooted user, it's always run on port 5901. Then go ahead and give it any name you like and press create. Once you press create, it will give you this menu to choose your configuration. It's depending on your phone's power, you will choose the various settings that will fit you and make it run smoothly. So here you type in the password you set for the rooted user back at Kali Linux. When you type Nethunter -R kex, and as you can see, we have logged into the Kali Linux Nethunter. You can go ahead and rotate your screen, which will give you full screen mode, and you can access it. If you have external mouse or external keyboard, you can plug into it so that you can type with it, everything easy. And as you can see, the thing has been installed, everything is working properly. All the packages, the hacking packages, the programming, and the pen testing, everything is there, and the browser is also working. Everything here is working. As you can see, this is how to install Kali Linux Nethunter on an Android.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and share. And also, I'll be doing more tutorials on how to use the packages and tools in the Kali Linux Nethunter, so please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you will not miss out. Until next time, peace out.